In this video, I'll be showing you how to get more sales for less cost in Facebook ads. Now, if your ad costs are rising, despite testing all your creatives, then it might be the case that there is a solution outside the ad account. This is nothing to do with your ad account. You need to be still working on it. That's fine. But there is something you can optimize outside the ad account that will impact the cost of acquisition inside the ad account. We'll lay it down pretty clearly what should be done, what should not be done, and the mistakes. In fact, Facebook says that your post-click experience after the user has left Facebook determines of your ad cost. For example, here this is an official documentation. I'll link it down below. That means it will cost more and see fewer results than it would if not contain these attributes and associations. This has all to do with post-click experience only. Reduce your CAC without even touching your ad account. Let's get started. To prepare for this video, I have read a bunch of official articles, official documentation to provide you the best and accurate information. I'll be linking each of them down below. You can take a look for yourself again. Now, the reason ad costs might be rising is because of your landing page. That's the most important part after the post-click experience. Now, bad post-click experience involves initiating multiple reloads used for tracking. For example, people try to build a landing page somewhere else, and they try to redirect it in order to track the user from where he is coming and then send them to another page. This might be impacting your ad cost and people experience and the experience of the person who is viewing it. Facebook optimizes for better experience and it wants its advertisers also to give the best experience to its users. So always avoid this. Then the content of the website should be original. It should not be copied. It can have some kind of sentences, okay, here and there they are being used, but it should be actually original and content rich. Unrealistic claims about anything. For example, if you're selling mostly these are related to supplement brands and solution oriented brands like skincare, hair care, where you're saying that okay, in 4 weeks you'll get this kind of results, in 10 weeks you'll get this kind of results, then it's not very acceptable for Facebook. And don't think Facebook does not index your pages. It absolutely does, and it finds out what's going on in the page also. So avoid these claims. It's better to have it in a manner that okay, this improves your hair care routine, this is why it does, or it improves by 60%, or you can say that according to a study which we have done over 1,000 people, 800 or 880 of them have seen positive results, which means 88% improvement. 88% efficacy rate. Then multiple pop-ups. If you have an email pop-up and then you have a discount pop-up, everything it's best to avoid it and have a single pop-up. Then landing page dwell time and the bounce rate is monitored consistently by Facebook. The pixel you install on the landing page is monitored very, very accurately by the Facebook data and the dashboard. So if they see a high bounce rate, people not spending more time, then it clearly indicates that the landing page is not good and the experience you are giving to the user from Facebook is not good enough. So if they see people exit fast, then it's the problem and it can lead to high ad cost. So what you need to do about it? Let's get started. Good post-click experience. Coherence between your ad and landing page. This should be there. If you're speaking about some offer in the ad, then say about the same offer in the landing page. You need not be repetitive of the same sentences. You can recontextualize and reframe the sentences to communicate the same idea. Have the coherence between ad and landing page, be it in offer, be it in messaging, anything, but have that coherence so that people engage with the landing page. Then both clear visual and the text content. It should not be that people have to click multiple times to see the visuals, or it's hidden, or the price is hidden somewhere, or the buttons are not working, something like that. Then reviews and testimonials must be authentic and original. It should be authentic also. No sensationalized content or words. You cannot be claiming, which was discussed earlier, and you cannot be sensationalizing that okay, this will mind-blowing serum or something like that. These kind of words like mind-blowing and magical and stuff, this is very, very not something which can be accepted by the Facebook algorithm. On the ad front, what you need to do is avoid sensationalized words like mind-blowing and stuff, and then avoid unclear messaging. For example, a lot of brands right now are promoting an ad where they have on the left their product and on the right they have a quote saying that this is confidential, just click on this ad and get to the landing page to see it. That I think it's very bad experience, and it will soon lead to higher ad cost for all these brands. You should not be saying that. You should be very clear in your approach. Think of yourself seeing the ad, and would you be actually having a good experience seeing that? No. Then why do you think other people will have it? No, right? So be very clear and avoid unclear messaging. Be very transparent, be authentic. You should be creating ads which actually are good. It should be good content creates good ads. So go after good content, don't create just ads and try to sell. Avoid unclear images, which was just discussed. Be clear on your images. Then the sum up of all this is, do not deceive your customer and avoid too good to be true statements. This is the only two things that matter to improve your post-click experience. Be rich, do not deceive your customer, be rich in content, communicate authentically whatever you want. Thank you.